Our mission? To discover and share family-friendly places in New South Wales. Hey everyone, welcome back to Team Labata. Today, we're taking you with us to one of the most beautiful gardens in New South Wales, Mayfield Gardenin Oberon. This is actually our second time here. The first visit was with the Yap family 2 years ago, and although we never got the chance to edit that video, don't worry, we'll be sharing that experience with you very soon too. This time, our route from Lithgow took a different path, a bit faster, but definitely rougher than the first one. Still, no complaints here. The adventure was worth every bump. And we're here. First thing we saw, the huge pumpkin. Seriously, it's massive. Parking is totally free here, which is awesome. Adults pay $38 for entry, but lucky for us, Callista gets in free. And of course, before we begin, a video selfie to mark the moment. Right away, we were welcomed by these stunning trees bursting with colors. It's like walking inside a painting. Just wow. As we walked further in, we reached one of our favorite parts of the garden. There's the peaceful water area where you can walk across the bridge. Naturally, we had a little photo session right here. Now, we're off to the grotto. It's got that magical, almost hidden vibe. Such a cool spot to just take it all in. Calie got so excited seeing a giant pine tree, so eager to touch it. Then we discovered the amphitheater, and just a bit further up, another grand fountain. I think it is the farthest part of the garden. Our final stop, the maze. If you're visiting Mayfield Garden, this is a must-do. It's so fun and full of surprises. You'll be amazed. Before heading home, we made a quick stop at the Oberon Common Park. Just a nice little break to have lunch and let Calie enjoy the playground. A great way to wind down after all the walking. That's it for our Mayfield Garden experience. A perfect day filled with nature, fun, and beautiful memories. True wealth isn't measured in money. It's found in the time to pursue what brings joy and fulfillment. Thanks for joining us as always. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more family adventures. Until next time, stay safe and happy exploring!